PowerDesigner Compare and Merge. In this module, we'll describe PowerDesigner's Compare and Merge feature. I have here two physical data models that are similar, but there are some differences. In the first physical model, we have the addition of a new table, some movements around the column order in the orders table, and the deletion of a table that is in the other model. The other model lacks the new creation, contains the deletion, and has the original order. To see the details for the compare, we'll simply go to Tools, Compare Models. We'll select the source and target models from our browser, and then see the comparison report. To interpret the report, we look at the flags. Yellow flags mean that there is a difference inside the folder or object. In this case, we have some table differences. I need to expand the node to see what are the differences. The first difference I notice is that I have a blue item on the left with a gray ghost on the right. This means in Model 1, items exist. This is our source. But in Model 2, items does not exist. It has been deleted, and this is our target. We also have another difference. Ghost on the left, blue on the right. This means that the new table has been added to the target model. But again, we have a difference. Order items. There is some difference inside order items. We need to expand order items to see the difference. It is on the indexes. What is the difference? Well, there is a difference on the order items FK index. The difference is on what object is linked. I have lost my foreign key. When I deleted the items table, the foreign key to items is also removed. I also have a difference on orders. The difference appears to be, as I scroll down, on the description. What is the difference in the description? Double-click description, and we see that there's a new line added to the target. This diff-like window shows me all differences in long text fields. However, orders, as I expand it, has additional changes. These green arrows indicate column move. In the source, sales employee ID is at the top, or on the target, it is beneath the order date column. There are also some differences. For example, on order date, there's the new domain of long text assigned, which also affects the data type and mandatory settings. Cust ID has a new comment. Double-click again, and we see that the comment has been changed to changed comment. And description also has a similar change, the addition of a new comment. When we've examined our compare window, we can always look at the compare preview to show in a text form all of the different comparison options. Now, the big difference between a compare and a merge is that a merge allows the changes between the models to affect the target model. In this case, I'll go to Tools, Merge Models. Picking the same source and target, we see the same screen. However, in this case, we now have action buttons, a checkbox beside the item to be changed. In this case, we say there is an items in the source that is not in the target. The action button is a blue plus, which means if set, we will add items to the model. The same for the one that is removed. It is not present in the source. It is present in the target, and I can choose the action button to, in this case with the minus sign, delete new table. The equals means please make the definitions identical from left to right when an object exists in both but is different in its definition. And again, we have additions that we can select. The moves, if you select the green arrow action box beside the symbol, that will select the move to occur, and this will effectively reorder the columns to be matching the column order of the source. I can accept or reject any change that I see, even the ones PowerDesigner has default selected for me. And when I say OK, the changes apply. We'll see the object has been deleted, my deletion has been preserved, and new changes in column order have been affected. So the changes I selected to occur have occurred, and the changes I did not select